What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see the thumbnail. Y'all see what I'm pulled up today. He been over here, but I'm just now turning the camera on, man. My little bro, Cedro.
Hey.
He is here. Hey, man, they probably been like, man, where you been at? That thing is loud.
Oh, yeah, that's the blowout valve.
Yeah.
Thing, ain't it?
They probably like, where you been at, man? He been around, man, little bro. I know. Y'all see, but he got Big Bad Stella out here.
I had pulled in there, got the shot today.
Yeah, he got Big Bad Stella out here, so we finna get some TNT.
Yeah.
TNT. But y'all can't see the results now. This his car. Y'all can't see the results. But y'all see the footage, the outside. But TNT. This is Life of J Malcolm exclusive.
But I said, I'm about to go ahead and go down here. I said, bro, gonna put that drag in that car.
Oh, he know it. He know it coming. Look, he know it coming, man. Man, I gotta show y'all too. The birthday gift he got me. Well, I'm gonna tell you, cause I had to go in the house, man. He done shot me. So, bro said, I got something for you, man, for your birthday.
Yeah, I said, hit my line.
Yeah, cause I was at the, I was arranging the carburetor stuff. I said, I'm gonna call it, bro. Soon I get this stuff categorized. So I called him back. And he said, yo, where you at? I said, you at the house? I said, man, ain't going nowhere. He said, I'm on the way. Man, and he pull up. I said, oh, he got something in the bag. So it was in what kind of bag? A Dollar General.
Yeah.
I said, man, what it is? And y'all know me, I appreciate anything. I really do. I appreciate anything. So I said, man, what it is? Got excited. I put it down. I said, no, this man, look, it's a PlayStation 1, the original PlayStation called. We all had them things, man. They're like childhood memory. And I got all the systems. I'm trying to get all of them. And I had sent this to little bro about 2 weeks ago.
Mm-hmm.
I had sent it to him about 2 weeks ago. I found it for sale. And it was closer towards his area. So I like, hey, I said, can you message these people and get this? And get this for me, bro, and I'll send you the money. He said, bet. So mind you, the week that went by, I mean, we done text and talked, but he said nothing about the PlayStation. So I said,
Got it 2 days later.
yeah, I said, well, it probably got gone. I didn't even ask him about it. I just, in my mind, said, if brother hit me back, cause they're my little brother. I know, like, he gonna come through him. He said, I do that. I mean, he jumped on it right then.
Yeah,
so I said, man. I said, he got sold. Well, I missed that one. So let me tell you what he said. He said, it was so funny. He said, man, I thought about it. I said, hey, man, I better go ahead and get bro Gil down here, cause he just like me. He too impatient. He be done found another. Hey, he tripped me out though, cause I do be like that, man. But this time he was in the clear. I was so busy with carburetors. I ain't even thought about buying another one, so.
He didn't even ask me. He was like, man, did you check on the game? And then he had none of that.
I ain't asking, man.
I knew he was busy.
Yeah, but if I would have asked him, I said, man, if I said, darn, man, I might have to find another one. Probably like.
I done talked to him and everything. Had the game at the house, just chill.
Yeah, we done talked. He ain't said nothing.
Let me get down there and get that game here.
Man, I said, boy, I appreciate that. I was like, boy, I said, woo. Y'all won't see my first reaction, though. My reaction, you have to check the Instagram stuff. Cause Kendra got a video, short form video though. But anyway, y'all see Stella, he crazy. It's crazy how long Stella been painted, but man, she still 2002. She's still pretty, man. So Y'all stay tuned. We about to check in. It's gonna be showtime. Clean hit, still around. Little bro coming on back. All right, BCG fam, man, hey.
BCG.
We just got back. This nag is nasty. We just got finished observing the Dragy and all that. Stella is nasty, man.
Hey.
Stella, man, what you?
I ain't gonna hold you. I just said, man, when I seen that little Dragy pop up, I said, woo. Wait a minute.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you what crazy though. Man, we supposed to been talking about it called, man, he done picked up so much power because y'all know little bro messed with Carburetor too.
Yeah.
And all his own tuning, he did his own tuning. He tuned this car. I mean, she way different. She way different now. I'm telling you.
He done picked up a lot of power.
Yeah, I'm talking about he done picked up. He done picked up. Then look, did y'all see in the after he coming up through there like Knight Rider? He coming up through there like Knight Rider. Man, Stella ride, man. A hard tie, no burnout. Y'all see how we get down too. That's what I said, man. That make you better. If you can go fast as he just went, and he didn't even put no heat in the tire. Now it done started back getting cold at night too.
Right, that road cold.
That road cold, man. Cause it chill out here. And when you can get your time going, dropping like that, what you think gonna happen? Like if you go to a drag strip with some actual prep on it, it is better for the hard tire, believe it or not. This car.
Yeah, that's all I was thinking about. I said, man, we been at the track.
Oh man,
down through that boy.
Man, if it went to the track,
you know what I said?
If it went to the track, cause the 60 foot was still in the twos. If it went to the track and it knocked that 60 foot down, the 60 foot for sure be in the ones.
And we didn't drop no pressure in the tires and then.
Nah, we didn't.
It got like 32 or 35.
That was just like a baseline, like.
Straight off the highway.
Straight off the highway.
Straight like how you ride around.
Yeah,
how I ride around, cause I ain't got time to be doing all this stuff, all the extra stuff. Turn it on this, turn on that. Everything gonna go at all times.
But like he said, that is a good observation though, cause if like we actually went at it, like okay, we finna try to get a number out of this thing on a hard tie. It been tire pressure change, then the socks, it been sock adjusting, it been a lot of stuff to really like seriously like all right, we finna try to get it to go. But it good to have a baseline so he know all right, there where we at. It don't do nothing but get better, so. But man, yeah, y'all got to see some action today. But y'all stay tuned in. We're gonna see where the rest of this vlog take us. So we'll check in with y'all in a minute. All right, everybody. It's the next day. Y'all know. Back out here in the shop, moving and grooving around. But hey, did y'all see Stella? Did y'all see Stella how she was boogieing down through there? Hey, Stella looked so good. Then man, little brother turned it loose one time and stuff. Hey, the car gets busy on a hard tie. For sure. It get busy on a hard tie, man. Now I can't disclose what it did. That's little bro info. But that thing get busy on a hard tie, man. First hit just hey, and the thing is it can get better. like went out there. The road it was chilly. Y'all see I got a hoodie on, like it's morning time stuff. So man, the lad even beforehand, so I had the hoodie on at the beginning of the video, but it'll start getting cool in the mornings and stuff. So it's like the road was cold, no tire pressure change at all, like full pumped up, no tire pressure change, as well as no shocks. I mean, little bro ain't even put on his coilovers and stuff yet. So man, when you factor into that, especially with hard tire racing, all that stuff matter. In all racing, really, all that stuff matter. So for what his car did today is crazy. Cause I know how much it'll get better. Cause y'all know I've been hard tire racing for some time now. I got some time under my belt, the wheels and stuff. So it's like you got to know what you know. Like the wheels and hard tire racing, they will definitely teach you suspension. Cause you got to know how to set that suspension. They'll teach you everything, tire pressure and all that. Cause it's a world of difference than running on, let's say, a slick or a radial, man. Like it's a world of difference. So, but hey, little bro, what happened? When we got back and I seen his face, I said, oh yeah. He said it went that normal. He got out of the car. He said it went that normal. So, man, all in all, you know, like I said, it was a good time. It was a good day. So I appreciate little bro too for the gift he gave me. He brought me the gift, man. I appreciate that as well for my birthday or whatever. It really shocked me. But yeah, man, like it was a good time. It was most definitely a good time. But just show y'all what I got going on right now. Before we close this thing out. I'm out here, man. I've been going in, man. I built this 950. I built this 950 Pro Form. This one of mine that it may be called for, meaning somebody may be getting it. So I can't say it's for sale right just yet, cause I got to see what they gonna do. But it could be for sale. So just if you need a 950, you just have to hold tight. But I built that. Man, a customer, I did a carburetor for a customer. Came in, it was a quick fuel 750. I did it one day, turned around, got it done. And now I got a Demon carburetor I built late last night. And I'm finna put it on the car here in a minute. And I have this one. I had about 4 750s, man. They've been rolling. I ain't got but 2 now. 4 or 5. Some of them been going in one day. But I got this one. I got this one for sale for 500. And then I got this one for sale for 430. And both of them hit real good. Both of them are very crispy and snappy. They're some great carburetors. This one is for more of a racier application. And this for my little mild street built guys. I would recommend that, not going for something like this. Cause they got the adjustable, this got the adjustable air bleeds, adjustable motion and power valve restrictions. Then I put jet extensions in this one. And what else, man? It's more racier application, basically. But that's what I got shaking. That's what I got shaking this morning. But like I said, I got to close. The day got away from it as usual again. And I also need to put Dolo carburetor back on the car too. I had Dolo carburetor out testing. A carburetor for a customer, and it was basically what I said. It was this one. So give y'all a little backstory on this right quick. So this carburetor is actually had the throttle, the main body has been worked by it was a reputable carburetor builder. It's been done some years now, but it's a 950 body, but it's basically he made it a 1050 4150 flange carburetor. So this is like a 1050. So my buddy brought it in about 2 months back, and it had a stumble And he was like, he changed the accelerator point, couldn't figure out what's going on. So he told me who built it. I said, well, if that's all it's doing, I'm not gonna open it up. So I didn't open it up the first time he brought it. I changed the pump arms around. He had some stuff mixed up. He had wrong accelerator pump springs and stuff. So I fixed all that, clearanced it, put it on the car, ran it, boom, 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 it hit. Didn't check none of it. I didn't open that car. I told him, I said, you don't need building, so I'm not gonna open it up. So 2 weeks later, he said, man, Jay, it's just part throttle, man. It's just busting up and stuff, but you go to it's clear up. And I said, okay. So I told him, bring it to me. And cause I was like, hey, ain't touch nothing and all of that, so bring it to me. And this guy, man, this is my buddy too. Like I done did another carburetor stuff for him. So with the carburetor being so big, I said, he telling me that I'm a road tester. I put it on Dolo, which y'all saw that video, testing too big of a carburetor versus the right size. And it did do better than the underside carburetor. But it was everything I said in that video. I said this carburetor pretty much like a Dominator. I'm expecting it to run rich at part throttle, which it was. And I don't know if I said on video what I thought the jetting was, but I said it probably don't have a power valve in it. And I said it's probably got 92 or 94 jets in it. Open it up, 92s in the primaries, 94s in the secondaries, no power valve. Just like I said, everything was exactly as I said before I cracked it open. And I told him, I said, brother, it's just not a carburetor set up the best for the street or street application. And I mean, he got a hot engine. He had it in his on his dome. He got a vert dome. It's a nice car. He got a hot engine in it too. But I said, man, I say it ain't gonna be no way for you to combat that. That's what a Dominator do on the street. They gonna run rich because they want to be wide open all the time. So this set up like a Dominator. That's why I ain't got, just like I said, they ain't got no power valve and stuff. But I could jet it down, add a power valve and stuff, but it's still too much seal film for his car. So that's the backstory on that too, man. So I got something shaking too. But anywho, y'all, look. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. I appreciate my little brother. Hope y'all enjoyed seeing Stella and all that. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.